Hi everyone. Carnival's Excel class ships, which are the Mardi Gras, the Carnival Celebration, and the Carnival Jubilee, all have some exclusive room areas on board. One of these areas is known as the Family Harbor. Family Harbor staterooms are geared towards parents and kids, but anyone on board can stay in these rooms. These rooms feature nautical decor, but one of the benefits that the people staying in these rooms most enjoy is that there's a thing called the Family Harbor Lounge. This is a spot that's usually key card access controlled with your sail and sign card. It'll have some breakfast in the morning, afternoon snacks, and then milk and cookies in the evening. And then during the other parts of the day when the lounge is open, there'll be some movies in there, video games, board games, and some other amenities that people staying in the Family Harbor staterooms can enjoy. This video includes some footage from my recent Carnival Jubilee cruise of the Family Harbor Lounge, as well as a stateroom tour. I stayed in a ocean view room on the Carnival Jubilee. And then I'll end it by showing some of the hallway on deck 4. On all 3 of Carnival's Excel class ships with Family Harbor rooms, the Family Harbor Lounge is located on deck 4. If you're watching this video and sailing on one of Carnival's Vista class ships, which includes the Carnival Vista, Horizon, or Panorama, these ships do have Family Harbor rooms, but the layout's going to be a little bit different, and so are the stateroom categories. Sit back, relax, and enjoy as this video goes along, and please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching.